This is the future of warfare, and it's already here. Imagine a battlefield where human soldiers are replaced by autonomous drones, robots, and AI-controlled weaponry. First, meet the AI-powered drone swarms. These drones can communicate with each other, strategize, and execute missions without human intervention. They can identify targets, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to changing environments in real time. Next, let's talk about autonomous tanks. These aren't your grandfather's tanks. Equipped with advanced AI, these machines can navigate complex terrains, identify enemy positions, and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. They can operate day and night in any weather condition, making them a formidable force on the battlefield. And then there are the AI snipers. These systems use machine learning to predict enemy movements and calculate the perfect shot. They can operate from miles away, ensuring that no target is out of reach. But it's not just about offense. AI is revolutionizing defense too. Imagine AI systems that can detect and neutralize incoming threats before they even reach the front lines. From missile defense systems to cyber warfare units, AI is creating a new era of military strategy. The future of warfare is autonomous, and it's changing the game forever. What do you think about AI in warfare? Let me know in the comments.